Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable automatic document downloads on WhatsApp Web when using it on your PC. If you've been getting overwhelmed by files downloading automatically, or just want more control over your downloads, this new update will help you manage it easily. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to whatsapp.com. If you're not already logged in, just scan the QR code with your phone, and you'll be connected to your WhatsApp account on the web. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu, and in the top right corner you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it to open more options. In the menu that appears, click on Chats. This section holds all the settings related to your chats and media. Now, inside the Chats menu, look for an option called Media Auto Download. This is where you can control how media files like photos, videos, and documents are downloaded automatically on WhatsApp Web. Click on Media Auto Download, and you'll see a list of media types: photos, audio, videos, and documents, each with checkboxes next to them. To disable automatic document downloads, simply uncheck the box next to Documents. Once you uncheck it, WhatsApp will stop downloading documents automatically in your chats. From now on, you'll have to manually download any document you receive, giving you more control over your storage and downloads. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully disabled auto download for documents on WhatsApp Web. This is a great way to keep your downloads organized and avoid clutter. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.